Alas bumalik.
Okay guys, napapagod na kami maglakad.
Hindi na kami maglalakad ever, so like boxing na lang tayo ngayon.
Boxing? Chinito Boxers.
Bumaba lang kayo ng Orchard mo something. Nandito na lang.
Okay, mag-warm up muna tayo.
It's late bro. Sipon na naman. Bugbugin ko siya mamaya. Meets with coach muna bago ako bugbugin si Bon.
I feel like I'm being proposed, guys. Bruh!
May si Black Mountain. Mas late pa siya sa akin. Oh. Kala ko si Bon yung nasarap ko pero wala na ako. Tayo na ako.
Magod na yan, magod na. This is why you don't mess with Adrian, bro. Kaya baby ko yan eh. Let's go babe. Mga girls pila muna kayo. Akin muna to.
Saan ang pa ako?
Matangkad si Bon, pero mahina yun. Size does not matter. Black Panther. Here's the kid from Karate Kid.
Dito natin malalaman yung height matter.
Walang sipa. Bon, abot na abot mo yan. Okay,
Remember all the hard times you're training. Remember the training, bro.
Sino pa kausik yan? Ayan na yung final boss. He's gonna avenge all of us. Chinito Boxers, done. Sir, comment down below what kind of activity should we do next. Our comedy club. Make sure to come and check it out. Bye guys. Bye bye.